आकाश वर्मा, स्टूडेंट ऑफ इंटीरियर डिजाइन INIFD चंडीगढ़।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, मेरा नाम आकाश वर्मा है। जैसे कि इस बार हमें थीम दी गई थी फ्यूचर एंड फैंटेसी, तो उसी से मैंने अपना कॉन्सेप्ट डिराइव किया है, शून्य अंत ही आरंभ है।
It is incredible.
Yes.
Incredible is the only word I'm getting for it. There is nothing else. Your presentation took me into the space. I was sitting and watching the show. That is how great this idea is.
The winner in the interior design segment, ladies and gentlemen, Design Festival Season 7. He just killed everybody out there. Akash Verma from INIFD Chandigarh.
I would really thank INIFD for giving me a platform like Launchpad Design Festival Season 7 to showcase my creativity. My mentors have guided me throughout my journey. Getting an opportunity like Lakme Fashion Week at a student level is nothing less than a dream come true. I would really thank INIFD for giving me wings to achieve my dream.